Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell. It's at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, and it's getting kind of dark and it's a little cold, but it's still warm enough to paint, and I have some leftover paint from my last Valentine 16 by 20 inch painting, and I wanted to show you guys, in case you didn't see the others, that these are like 20 for $1 at the dollar store, and you can dip them right into some freezer paper or whatever. You could dip them into your painting if you wanted to. So even though the last painting that I did I liked a lot, I also learned a few things, and I did it on a wet white background, and I'm going to go a different direction now. I'm going to do it on a black background, and I'm going to try and see if I can add a few more colors to this shovel, although it doesn't look like it's possible to me right now. Maybe a different container. Let's see if I can do that. That's a little trepidatious, but we'll give it a shot, because I want some other colors in here than the ones I've got. And they ought to be a little different. And I haven't used any of my green gold today. And I did mix up a new batch of purple. And I think if I go any further, I'm going to be overindulging myself. So I'm just going to start again. And what I found out, I was saying, with using the shovel, was I got an awful lot of paint and not as much control as I wanted to. So what I'm really thinking is that if I scoop it and deliver it that way, I might be a lot happier. Where is my... Can I see? How about putting your glasses on, woman? Yes, gold, excuse me. Pearl from Anita's, my go-to for all kinds of stuff. And I have a, yes, a Prussian blue, which sells beautifully when it's near some white, or pretty much anything actually. Let's try some of that pink. And I really want some gold, but what I found was that when the video stopped recording, that I wanted some gold so bad I just added new gold rays. So that's not out of the question. That could happen again. But I'm going to try and do it all on camera this time and see what happens. Let's throw a little more of this purple that's slightly different than the other one in there. I just want to have enough paint, and if I have to use my paint up to do another painting, I will. I did not use any of my Color Shift blue, which I absolutely love. Funny thing, it doesn't look like the same color I wanted to replace, and I thought it had a different name on it, but I'm still looking for this. Oh, we got something in the bushes over there crashing through. I wonder what it is. We have vultures quite often. Alright, so even though that's not coming out, I have a lot of things in my way, as per usual. I wish I'd stopped doing that. Excuse me, that was me. So let's give this some orange, because orange is good. Especially on black. And do I have enough yellow there? I'm not sure I do. And I know I can never get enough. I didn't use any of that red on a Valentine, really? Okay. Well, we're going to do that now. And then come right back again to the gold, because we're going to be scooping it up. And I'll decide after. I don't think I want to use any black, just because it's already a black canvas. I'm going to get this stuff out of my way to a point. Still where I can find it. I'm trying a new method, and it's not it's not working as well as I would like it to. So here go these, and hopefully they'll stay upright and not spill. That would be awesome. Maybe I'll leave that where you can see it. What gorgeous colors they are. I want to stop and take a picture. So now the question is, what am I doing at this moment? And what I'm doing at this moment, I think, is taking the shovel, and I'm going to try... Oh, really? Okay, fine. It's a more abstract heart than the last one. Oh well, never mind. It doesn't really matter, because as long as I'm getting paint on the canvas, it will bend. I will bend it to my will. Of this I am certain. And I put rays on, so it doesn't matter. And I was thinking about a gold center this time, maybe. It's a bigger heart, but that doesn't matter, because I'm going to be filling in with other things. Alright, so, and it doesn't have to be straight. or symmetrical or anything. I'm just going to let all the little rivulets of paint drain from my shovel as they see fit. And I could drag paint right out from the heart itself. Let's see what happens when I do some of that. For fun. Because I can. Oh, that's the name of my book, and I forgot to mention it in the last recording. On my Amazon link, you will find all kinds of cool stuff. If you're looking for my OXO omelet turning spatulas, the miraculous paint spreading spatulas, that's the place to look for them. I'm going to dip that in a little deeper. Yep, I'm just dragging them right out with the shovel. I use GAC 800 by Golden in all my paint mixes that are pre-mixed before I do anything with anything, so that my paint won't crack if it's thick, like it is right now. I'm really tempted to just go ahead and add the gold now to see what happens, but honestly, I kind of changed my mind the minute the words left my mouth. Because I like it like it is, and I just sort of want to leave it alone. Oh, the question is, do I have another black canvas handy? And yes, the answer is yes, I do. I don't think this is hurting anything. I don't know what I'll do about those dots, but everything else isn't bothering me a bit. It does make me want to just keep going around and around, but I really like what I've got. I think I'd like to lead paint a little bit more, so I'll just do that right now. And because paint flows to paint, I'm imagining that will fill in if I move it down like that. I guess we'll find out. Whatever you are, go away. We'll find out in a minute. So what should I do? Should I put gold dots in? That would be pretty cool. Should I do nothing? Yes, nothing is probably the right answer. Oh well, I don't know if I'm capable of doing nothing. I just really like it like it is, and I know I can use black gesso to fix the center of the heart. I would have to tell you everything I usually tell you also, which is I do sell my artwork. There are Facebook albums of wet and dry artwork at the bottom of the video, underneath the video, in the description. And that place shares those volumes of 1, 2, and 3 that are the YouTube wet and dry artworks with Pinterest and Instagram. Alright, so I've broken my vow of not doing anything, and I'm playing again. I wanted to dot the last one, and I did in the end, just not on camera. You know what? I'm going to take a torch to this. It's going to be like the shortest video ever. I give lessons at the house. Whoa, really, really too high. I don't use a butane torch because I haven't had a lot of luck with it. I went through like 5. It cost me $100. I didn't really have a spare. And this is a $50 torch head from Art Resin, but it's been working for the better part of a year anyway, and I really appreciate it. Even though it's a little bit, you have to be a little bit cautious to keep from burning your paint. I'm going to say that I can fix that tomorrow with some gesso, or even right now. Maybe not now. Yeah, tomorrow. Or like right after you're gone. I'll just pull some gesso out. And I'm probably also going to use what's in my shovel to go down over the edges of the canvas and finish the lines on the edge of the canvas. I want to fix that, but I can't do it right this second. Anyway, so I have over 430 videos. And if you like what I do, wait for the last 20 seconds of this video and you will see my playlist advertised along with my website and a thing that says subscribe. And if you do subscribe, you might want to ring the bell, click the bell extra, because there have been a few issues recently with people getting their notifications. So even if you have subscribed already, you might want to click the bell. Let me turn that around for you guys. It's going to be right side up. And any photo programming, if you want to take a screenshot and use it as a Valentine, any photo editing program can probably clean that up. I know I could, but I may show that. I may show the cleaned up version. So what else? There's a contest if you contribute through PayPal or Patreon. and you'll be entered. And if you happen to have your name drawn, you'll be able to pick one of 3 artworks that I'm contributing to the contest. That's bothering me. I have so many ideas in this regard. I want to just keep doing stuff. I want to spiral things out and just play and have some good fun. But I think I'm just gonna call it a day. No, not really. I'm gonna make another movie with the paint I've got because it's pretty paint. But we're good for now. And I love you guys. Thanks for all the contributions in the past. And I hope to see you here again. And thanks for all the great comments. I love you guys. Bye for now. Talk to you soon.